So let's talk Quikish. When I started working out and like right after 4 or 5 months, I came across the company from a very dear friend. She mentioned Quikish on her Instagram, and that's when I found out. I asked around, and I figured out that yeah, this might help me in my meal preps and help with my daily dose and daily source of protein. Quikish is this amazing app which has a huge range of poultry and fish options, and the app is super easy to use. It's super convenient. The service is amazing. I've never been disappointed. And if you're closely tracking your diet, like I do, being a natural athlete, it's very important that my macros and everything are in order. So you'll find a detailed list of nutrients and calories, and it has been super helpful for me. It just takes 10 minutes out of my daily routine whenever I prep a meal. You don't even have to refrigerate it in the freezer. They even have a bunch of instructions given on their packs, so it just takes me 10 minutes to make a full-fledged meal. And I would highly recommend Quikish to everyone, whether you're a natural bodybuilder like me or just want a fresh healthy meal. And it's been a huge support for my diet, for my prep, and I sincerely want to thank Quikish for everything that they do. Keep doing what you do and keep providing amazing service. So thank you.